this year's Fire Truck Day to Joey Swank. He's one of our campers that passed away this year. And Joey always came to Fire Truck Day. I mean, even when he aged out of our camp, he took off work to come to Fire Truck Day. He was always here. Real good friend. His family's here. Right here, here's Mom and Dad. Grandma, Grandpa sitting over there, and Aunt. So if you get a chance today, give them a hug. We got everything taken care of that we need to. Go man, go hose, go water, go water. All right, this is what you need to understand about Fire Truck Day, okay? It's a water fight. If you didn't know that, too late now. All right.